What should I use instead of assignment in an expression in Python? According to this page, one can't use code like. So in case I want to have the following code structure. Where something, functions are compute intensive, I mean that using the function and then doing it again to assign value to a variable in case the first one was true can't be done. What should I write instead in Python? Add 7 more variables instead of 1?
I had this problem years ago, in 2001, since I was transliterating to Python from a reference algorithm in C which used assign and test heavily. I was keen to keep a similar structure for the first draft, then refactor later once correctness was well tested. So I wrote a recipe in the cookbook, see also here, which boils down to. So the if/elif tree can become. The data holder class can clearly be embellished in various ways, and is so embellished in both the online and book versions, but this is the gist of it and quite sufficient to answer your question.
Another alternative, which offers some flexibility. Or you can explicitly compare to the function. If some of the functions take arguments, you can use lambda to keep the function paradigm.
You could do this. Or, inside a function you can limit the nesting level with a return in each matching case.
Make yourself a simple callable object that saves its return value. Now use it like this. Prince. You could use a decorator, like this memorize for those functions, assuming they always return the same value. Notice that you can call expensive_foo and expensive_bar as many times as you like, and the function body only ever gets executed once.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.